This is a cylinder which is a three-dimensional object, that is it has length, breadth and height. So here this is base radius, this cylinder is having two circular bases. It has two circular bases. This is one circle, this is another circle. R is called base radius and this is known as the height of the cylinder. H is called the height of the cylinder. Now, first formula is base area of a cylinder. Base is a circle, so base area is nothing but pi r square, area of the circle. This is circle, this is a circle, so two circular bases it has. So base area is equal to pi r square. Next, curved surface area, CSA. Curved surface area means this area is called curved surface area. Curved surface area formula is 2 pi r h. This is the curved surface area. Now, volume of a cylinder, pi r square into h. Curved surface area means circumference of the base. Two circular bases are there, pi r plus pi r, 2 pi r. This is circumference of the two bases into height. Volume of the cylinder means pi r square, this is area of the base into height. Means base area into height, that is called volume. Curved surface area means 2 into circumference of the base into height. So curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square. This is base area into height is called volume. Now, total surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area means 2 pi r into h plus r. This is called total surface area of the cylinder. So for a cylinder we have four formulae. Base area of the cylinder is pi r square. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r. Here curved surface area means 2 into circumference of the base into height, that is 2 pi r h. Volume of the cylinder means base area into height, that is pi r square into h. Total surface area means 2 pi r into h plus r. So these are the four formulae involved about the cylinder. So a cylinder has two circular bases. So R is called base radius, H is called height of the cylinder. Write the next question. The volume of a cylinder is 308 centimeter cube. The volume of a cylinder is 308 centimeter cube. Its height is 8 centimeters. Find its lateral surface area and total surface area. Find its lateral surface area and total surface area. Here volume of the cylinder is given as 308 centimeter cube. Height is given as 8 centimeters. So height of the cylinder is 8 centimeters. Now volume of the cylinder is given as 308 centimeter cube. Volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h, that is 308. Pi is 22 by 7. R we don't know, we have to find R value. Height of the cylinder is 8, that is 308. Here to find out R value, keep R left side, remaining numbers you have to take right side. So R square is equal to 308 into this 7 comes into numerator, 22 into 8 comes in the denominator. So R square is equal to 308 into 7 by 22 into 8. 11 2s are 22, 11 8s, 2 4s, 2 14s, 2 1s, 2 7s. So R square is equal to, we will get 7 into 7, 49 by 4. R value is under root 49 by 4. 49 square root is 7, root of 4 is 2. So R value is 7 by 2 centimeters. After getting R value, we know H value. So lateral surface area, LSA of a cylinder is given by the formula 2 pi r H. 2 into 22 by 7, radius is 7 by 2, height is 8. This 7 you can cancel, 2 also you can cancel. 176 centimeters square. This is lateral surface area of the cylinder. Now total surface area of the cylinder formula is 2 pi r into H plus R. 2 into 22 by 7, radius is 7 by 2, height is 8, radius is 7 by 2. This 2 you can cancel, 7 also you can cancel. Here we will get 22 into 8 plus 7 by 2 means it is 3.5. 22 into 11.5. So 11.5 into 22. (253 centimeters square). That is the total surface area. First, volume of the cylinder is given as 308 centimeter cube. Height is given. Volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h. Here you substitute h value. We will get R value. R is 7 by 2. After getting R value, lateral surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. So here you have to substitute R value. We will get LSA 176 centimeter square. Now total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r. Here if we substitute, we will get total surface area 253 centimeters square. Right, seventh problem. A metal cuboid of dimensions of dimensions 22 centimeters by 1.5 centimeters by this is 15 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters was melted and cast into a cylinder. Was melted and cast into a cylinder of height 14 centimeters. What is its radius? A metal cuboid of dimensions 22 centimeters by 15 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters. This is L into B into H, which is nothing but volume of this cuboid. Volume of cuboid is given as 22 into 15 into 7.5. This is volume of the cuboid. When cuboid is converted into cylinder, then volume of the cylinder and volume of the cuboid will be same. So volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the cuboid. If cuboid is converted into a cylinder, both will have same volume. So volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cylinder formula pi r square h. Volume of the cuboid is given as 22 by 15 by 7.5. Now pi means it is 22 by 7. This r square value we have to find. Height of the cylinder is given as 14 centimeters. So pi r square h, pi is 22 by 7, r value we don't know, we have to find. Height is 14 centimeters is equal to 22 into 15 into 7.5. This 22 we can cancel on both sides. 7 1s are 7 2s are. So r square into 2 is equal to 15 into 7.5. Send this to that side. R square is equal to 15 into 7.5 by 2. This 15 by 2 is also 7.5. So r square is equal to, we got 7.5 whole square. If you compare, r value is 7.5. Radius of the base is 7.5 centimeters. So first, volume of the cuboid is given. When cuboid is converted into cylinder, both will have same volume. Therefore, volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. This is the volume of the cuboid given. Now here pi is 22 by 7. R we don't know, so r square right as it is into right of the cylinder is 14. So here r value we will get r square is equal to 7.5 whole square. Or comparing, we will get r is equal to 7.5 centimeters. Right, eighth problem. The curved surface area of a cylinder is is 1760 centimeter square and its volume is and its volume is 12320 centimeter cube. Find its height. Find its height. So first CSA of the cylinder is given. CSA of the cylinder is given as 1760 centimeters square. CSA of a cylinder formula is 2 pi r h, that is 1760 centimeters square. This is first equation. Next, given that volume of the cylinder one two three 20 centimeter cube. Volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h, that is 12320 centimeter cube. This is second one. First one is curved surface area of the cylinder is given as 2 pi r h is 1760. Next, volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, that is 12320. Let us divide second equation by first equation. Dividing second equation by first equation. Second equation is pi r square h. First equation is 2 pi r h. Pi r square h is given as 12320. 2 pi r h is given as 1760. Here you can cancel pi. We can cancel h value. 0 cancel. Here r square by r means 1 r will be left in the numerator, r by 2. Here 1232 by 176. Cross multiply, r is equal to 1232 into 2 by 176. 11 ones 11, 11 6 are. 11 ones 11, again 11 ones, 11 2s are. Next, 2 ones, 2 8s. 8 ones are 8. 8 4s are. So we will get r is equal to 14 centimeters. After getting r value, to find out height, this r value we will substitute in the first equation. So put r is equal to 14 centimeters in first equation. First equation is 2 pi is 22 by 7, radius is 14, height we have to find. It is 1760. 7 ones 7 2s, so height is equal to 1760 by, these 3 comes in the denominator, 2 into 22 into 2. 11 2s are 22, 11 ones 11 6 are. 2 80s, 240, 220. So height of the cylinder is 20 centimeters. So first CSA of the cylinder is given as 1760, that is 2 pi r h is CSA of the cylinder 1760. Volume of the cylinder is 12320, that is pi r square h it is. So second equation you have to divide by the first equation, then we will get r value 14. After getting r value, put r value in the first equation, we will get h value. So height of the cylinder is 20 centimeters.
90.